Hackatronics.
Okay, I saw this video on YouTube where a guy uses a bunch of magnets on a fan. Let's say they're all South Pole up. I'm not sure if it's South or North. Anyway, and you take another magnet, a very strong one, with South Pole as well. So, we all know magnets will repulse one another if they have the exact same pole. So, it'll keep moving. Anyway, so what he did is he just sat there and held the magnet in one position like so, and everything just kept spinning magically, because that really doesn't happen. It just gets stuck right between the other two. So if I were to let go of this magnet, you can see it's attracted to the north on the other side there. It may be repulsing this one, but it's attracted to the north underneath there. So it really doesn't work at all. And even if these were all flat, this would be repulsed by both this one and this one. So it doesn't work. Physics doesn't allow this technique to work at all. So that type of free energy does not exist. Okay, now what he did to actually get it to spin. Okay, so you can see I have nothing attached to the ground wire and nothing attached to the positive wire here. Now if I take my magnet and I put it close to this magnet to repulse it, look at that, I got it spinning. How about that? Magic. And as you can see, there's no battery on the bottom here, but there is a battery right here. Now his fan was bigger, so he was able to hide the battery inside this notch here. All you have to do is grind it out a bit and cut it, and then you can hide the battery quite well. And the way the magnet activates this entire system is something called a reed switch, which is quite cool. It uses magnetism to close the circuit. So if I bring this close, I'll probably need to lift this a little bit. There you go, see? The fan's spinning. And I take it away and the fan stops spinning. So that's how he did it, I believe. Now he could have had another technique of generating power to it, but he did lift it off, so I'm assuming there was an onboard battery. So there you go. Pretty cool how he figured that out. Yeah. So I did spend quite a bit of time making these, obviously. These are not real magnets because I didn't want them to trip the reed switch in there. So these are just pieces of aluminum foil, which I could peel off or whatever.